What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the OnePlus again revealed massive upgrades by a reputable source. Yes, OnePlus 8T will receive a display with ultra accurate color reproduction and many other great features. Also revealed phone specifications, features, price and release date. Please watch full video content. According to reports, the upcoming flagship smartphone OnePlus 8T will go on sale on October 14th. OnePlus CEO Pate Lu previously confirmed that the device will receive a 6.55 inches screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Today, he revealed new details about the smartphone display. According to him, the device will be able to reproduce colors with incredible accuracy. The panel will receive a JNCD score of 0.3. For example, for the OnePlus 8, this figure was 0.4. JNCD means just noticeable color difference is used to measure color accuracy. Results in the video 1 are considered very good. Pate Lu said that it was very difficult to change this figure from 0.4 to 0.3. In addition, the CEO of OnePlus said that the automatic brightness control of the screen will now receive 8192 gradations instead of 4096 in previous models. He also said that for more precise brightness control, light sensors will be placed on both the front and back of the smartphone. Up until this point, there were doubts about the refresh rate the OnePlus 8T would support. Pate Lu has confirmed that the OnePlus 8T will have a 120Hz refresh rate display and will be the same size as the company's previous flagship, 6.55 inches. The engineers worked to improve picture smoothness, color accuracy, and maximum brightness. As a result, the panel received the highest A+ rating from DisplayMate Labs. Presumably, the OnePlus 8T 5G will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC. Users should be offered versions with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of flash memory, as well as with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of flash memory. Intermediately after launch, the smartphone will run the new Android 11 operating system, on top of which the Oxygen OS 11 shell will be installed. The battery capacity will be also increased. OnePlus should equip the new flagship with 4500 mAh battery, while the OnePlus 8T will support 65 watts ultra-fast charging technology. OnePlus 8T will be presented on October 14. The price of the smartphone can start from around 600 or 700 euros. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.